Yo, good morning. What it is, what it do, what's the word? Welcome to Vision TV. We back with another product review. Yeah. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Say Cheese Teeth Whitener, brought to you by Ed Webb. I bought me one of these a couple days ago, so we're gonna check it out. Comes in a nice little black bag with a tag on it that says, "Hello, I am what you've been waiting for." Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Cause I have been waiting for this. Cause I've been looking at my teeth like, yeah, it need to get a little whiter. Oh, it come with a nice little card. Say Cheese LLC. Bow. There we go. We got Ed Webb's info on there with the little QR code. I'm gonna put all that shit in the bottom of the description. Boom. We got a nice little card. See, this is good business right here. You know what I'm saying? It say, "Thank you so much for your purchase." You're welcome. You know what I'm saying? You gotta appreciate your customers, man. You're welcome, yeah. And thank you for serving me. You know? And it comes in a nice little box like this. It says Say Cheese Teeth Whitening. Real professional looking. Box sealed up. The plastic, everything. Yeah. FDA registered. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open this puppy up and see what it do, you know. And I don't recommend trying this at home. Opening stuff with your teeth is not good. It's like a it's like an inverse operation. I'm gonna open this stuff with my teeth so I can get them white. Boom. Get that plastic off. I like this box. Boom. Come with a nice little user manual, because I don't know how to use this thing, but it's going to tell me right here. Very descriptive. How to use. Boom. So I guess you take. Oh, and it got a little guide too. So you can see like how yellow, you can compare how yellow your shit was and how white it is after you get done. Boom. Got the battery. Here's the thing. Lightweight. Don't hurt for real. Like how it light up, that's nice. Everything. Boom. And then it come with the gel right here. You know what I'm saying? And you just, I guess, well, I'm looking at the lady on here. Yeah, rinse your mouth out with some water. Boom. Put some of this stuff in there. On your teeth. And then you put the thing on. You dig? That's it. Make you spin this, make this stuff come out. And that's it, man. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and we're gonna come back in about, let's say, 30 days and see how my teeth looking. And real quick, man, I just want y'all like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you don't like it, smash that thumbs down button. Get in the comments, let me know what products you guys want to see me review, and if you have a product that you want to get reviewed, you know what to do. Just inbox me, the Real Added Up on Instagram, Real Added Up on Facebook, or send me an email, wantvisionfilms@gmail.com, and we will get your product on here reviewed and let the people know what it do, what it is. Yeah.